Hi, this video is about cleaning with baking soda and vinegar and adding an extra boost with lemon oil. Hi, my name is Amelia and this is the Essential How-To channel where I love to amplify your sense of feeling good. And the way we're going to do that today is by making your very own cleaner that you can use in your kitchen and your bathroom. Everything I talk about today will be linked to down below in the description, so be sure to check that out. And be sure to check out the free ebook with many more cleaning recipes for you. Okay, before I get on to that recipe, let me just give you 5 reasons why these ingredients are so great to use when you clean your home. First of all, baking soda. It's inexpensive, it's a deodorizer, and a gentle abrasive. Second, vinegar. It is acid, so it can replace chemicals like bleach and other cleaning products you might use. It is really good at removing stains and mold as well. The third ingredient is lemon oil, super packed with surface cleaning compounds called gamma-terpenine. These compounds are famous, degreasing and removing anything that's sticky, so it's really good to add to a cleaner like this that you're going to use in your bathroom and your kitchen. So using those ingredients are also going to do 2 other things. They're going to save you a lot of money because the products that you purchase in the store are mostly water, and who wants to spend all their money on water? You're also reducing the amount of chemicals you're bringing into your home, which is great for you and your kids and your pets. So all around, making your own products is really a smart thing to do. All right, let's get on to that recipe. I'm going to take a 3/4 rounded cup of baking soda. You're going to add that with a 1/4 cup of liquid Castile soap. Then add 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then add 5 to 10 drops of that lemon oil. You're going to mix this in an airtight container. This is how you apply it. Use a cloth or a sponge and smear this stuff all over whatever it is that you're cleaning, whether it's a countertop, tile, whether it's a shower stall, stovetop, or your microwave. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you can clean the surface by gently scrubbing. And to remove it, take a wet cloth and simply wipe it clean. And that's all it is. A really simple way to clean your home. So check out the links below and other videos on the Essential How-To channel to amplify your sense of feeling good in your home, your health, and your attitude.